Here's how to insert a SIM card or SIM cards into your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So the first thing you need to do is identify where the SIM tray is, and on this particular phone it's below right here. And the next thing you need to do is get a SIM ejector tool like this one. You can use either the one that comes in the box or any other SIM ejector tool really that you can find. So what you want to do is gently insert the SIM ejector tool into that hole and push gently like that. And once it pops out like that, you want to remove the SIM tray. And as you can see, the SIM tray has a slot for SIM 1 and SIM 2. So the next thing you want to do is find your SIM cards, the ones that you want to use, and you want to place them according to the marked guidelines, and you want to place them with the gold contacts facing up. So insert your SIM card like that and make sure it fits snugly and cannot fall like that. Then turn it on the other side and insert the other SIM card, same way with the gold contacts facing up. Like that. And once the SIM card fits flush into the SIM tray, you want to pop the SIM tray back into the phone with the right alignment, of course. So align it like that and simply push it back in gently. If you require to use any force, then no, there's something wrong. Simply pull it back out and push it back in gently like that until it goes back flush into the phone. And now your SIM cards should be detected, and right at the top there you should see the network bars for the two SIM cards. You may also see a prompt telling you to set up your SIM cards. You can always do this later. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.